A very pleasant and scintillating morning to Wisner Principal Ma'am, respected coordinator ma'am, passionate teachers, and my spirited friends. I, Jamia, and my co-host Devansh, elated to welcome you all to today's morning assembly. Devansh, you seem so lively and radiant with energy today. Jamia, you are very true. Today, our class assembly is centered on a very special theme that is National Sports Day, a day that celebrates the spirit of sportsmanship, discipline, and unity. This special day is observed every year on 29th August, marks the birth anniversary of Major Dhyan Chand, the legendary hockey wizard of India. Just as sports strengthen our body, prayer strengthens our spirit and soul. Let us begin our assembly by seeking the Almighty's blessing. So, I would like to call the choir group on the stage to start beautiful prayer. I request everyone to join the hand and close the eyes and pray to Almighty to bless us with good health, determination, and spirit to win in every field of life.
Welcome to the Learning Lens News channel. Your school, your news. A Veterans Day was celebrated for classes 1 to 5 with lots of joy and fun. On this day, children got a break from regular studies and enjoyed many playful learning activities. The syllabus is now completed and revisions are in full swing. Students are preparing to give their best in the upcoming exams. Our school celebrated Independence Day and Janmashtami with great zeal and vibrant energy. Our respected Principal Ma'am delivered an inspiring speech for reminding us our duties and love for the country. Class 12 students visited Amritsar, exploring the Golden Temple, Jallianwala Bagh, and Wagha border. The trip taught them about our history, faith, and national pride. In sports news, our talented students made the school proud in the Taekwondo Championship and Yoga Games. They won gold medal, qualified for the state level, and brought glory to the school. That's all for today's news from the Learning Lens. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Thank you, Trivik, for keeping us informed. It is always great to start each day with a new belief, open heart and a positive mindset to inspire us and illuminate our morning assembly. I would like to invite Raghav Goyal and Hidanshi Arya to share their wonderful thoughts of today.
Good morning, everyone. Today's thought is sports are not just about winning, they teach us discipline, teamwork, and the spirit of never giving up. Thank you. Have a nice day.
सुप्रभात। आज का सुविचार, खेल हमारे जीवन में अनुशासन celebrating the spirit of sports.
Good morning everyone. Today Ayatara Bansal is going to recite the poem. On National Sports Day, we rise with dreams and goals that touch the skies. In every run, with every race, we learn to strive, we learn to chase. From hockey fields to cricket grounds, where cheers and courage know no bounds. Like Dhyan Chand, so bold, so true, our hearts beat strong in what we do. It's not just winning, but how we play. It's honesty, passion every day. Respect, teamwork, and fair game. Build every champion's name and fame. So pick the ball, the bat, the shoe. This day is made for me and you. Let's play with joy, with hearts so bright, and keep the spirit of sports inside. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir, for the wonderful poem. Your words really inspired us to embrace the true spirit of sports and to work with dedication. खेल जीवन में ऊर्जा, उत्साह और आत्मविश्वास भरते हैं। इन्हीं भावनाओं को शब्दों में पिरोकर हिंदी कविता प्रस्तुत करने आ रही है श्रीनिका।
खेल हमें सिखाते हैं जीवन जीना सच्चा, मेहनत, धैर्य और अनुशासन बनाते जीवन अच्छा। दौड़ो कूदो मस्ती करो, सेहत का खजाना भरो, हर दिन थोड़ा खेल जरूरी, वरना लगे जिंदगी अधूरी। खेलों से आता है साहस, मन में बढ़ता है विश्वास, हार को भी हंसकर सहना, हर पल आगे बढ़ते रहना। टीम वर्क की ताकत लाते, सबको साथ चलना सिखाते, खेल हमें यह ज्ञान कराते, सच्चे इंसान हमें बनाते। धन्यवाद एवं शुभ दिन।
Good morning everyone. I am Avyad of class 3rd A. Let's go through the brief history of Major Dhyan Chand, the hockey legend, known for his dedication, hard work and spirit of sportsmanship. Major Dhyan Chand was born on August 29, 1905 in Allahabad. He was a legendary Indian hockey player, widely regarded as one of the greatest in the history of sports. He joined the Indian Army at 16, where he began playing hockey. He earned the nickname Chand because he practiced under the moonlight. Known as the Wizard of Hockey for his extraordinary ball control and goal-scoring ability, Dhyan Chand led India to 3 Olympic gold medals in 1928, which was held in Amsterdam, 1932 in Los Angeles, and 1936 in Berlin. He scored over 400 goals in his career. He was also awarded the Padma Bhushan in 1956. His birthday is celebrated as National Sports Day in India. Major Dhyan Chand remains an enduring symbol of Indian sports excellence and inspirations to athletes across generations. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you, Abhyang. You have illustrated it very well. Give a big round of applause for him. Put your hands together to welcome our young sport heroes to showcase their talent and spirit. Now, I would like to invite Vibha and Jiti to proceed further. The champion has a story of courage, hard work and rising after every fall. India is proud to have such champions who have created history and made our nation shine across the globe. Today, our Vibha and I, Jiti, are here to celebrate the inspiring journeys and their incredible achievements. They are a true inspiration for millions and a symbol of hard work and dedication. So let's welcome them with a huge round of applause. Some players play the game, others change the game. Virat Kohli is one such cricketer who changed the face of Indian cricket with his passion, performance and leadership.
Hello everyone, I am Virat Kohli, former captain of Cricket Indian team. Cricket is my passion, my life. I joined Cricket Indian team in 2008. People call me King of Cricket. My favorite shots are cover drive and straight passionate drive. My message to all work hard and never give up on your dreams. Thank you for your love and support. Jai Hind.
Namaste. I am Gogesh Domaradu, the youngest grandmaster in the world. I believe in saying that chess is not just a game, it is a war of mind. I am known for my sharp thinking, calm mind and smart moves on chessboard. I won gold medal in Asian and World Youth Championship. My dream is to bring World Chess Champion title to India one day. So to all my friends, follow your dream and stay focused. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Hi everyone, I am Manu Bhakkar, first Indian shooter to win a gold medal in Paris Olympics in 2024. My mathematics came high and shoot straight. I am an inspiration for young girls and feel proud to represent India with my shooting skills. Thank you, Jai Hind.
Hello, I am Neeraj Chopra, first Asian athlete who won a gold medal in javelin at the Tokyo Olympics 2021. I believe in 3D discipline, dedication and determination. My dream is to make India proud. I am Sunil Chhetri, the captain of Indian football team. I am one of the highest goal scorer in the world. I also received the Khel Ratan Award for my hard work, dedication and discipline in football. I always say believe in yourself. Now give up and play for the team. Thank you. These were the shining stars of India, winning hearts with their talent and determination. So let's give them a huge round of applause.
कहते थे लोग जो काबिल नहीं है तू, देंगे वही सलामियाँ। दिल थामे जहाँ देखे हर एक तेरी भी कामयाबियाँ। करके बैठा कमाल वो, आके ज़मीन पे देके जाए आसमां। शाबाशियाँ, 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 शाबाशियाँ।
Cricket keeps our body fit and active. Makes our muscles strong. It builds stamina and increases flexibility. Teaches teamwork and coordination. Refreshes our mind. Improves balance and posture. It reduces stress. and disciplined performance.
कोई मानेगा यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज ऐसे हैं चाहे वैसे हैं अरे जो भी हैं जैसे हैं खुद पे हम नाज जाने ना हमको ये जमाना चाहो तो हमको आसमां यार बाज हम जान साज हम इश्क बाज दिल वाले कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले छूते दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले छूते हाल से इंडिया वाले दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले सिकंदर ही दोस्तों कहलाता है बारी बाजी को जीतना से आता है निकलेंगे मैदान में जिस दिन हम चूम के धरती डोलेगी ये कदम चूम के निकलेंगे मैदान में जिस दिन हम चूम के धरती डोलेगी ये कदम चूम के नहीं समझे है वो हमें क्या चाहता है सिकंदर ही दोस्तों कहलाता है चक्का चक्का तो मेरे वो भाइयों चक्का 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 तो मेरे वो भाइयों चक्का चक्का तो मेरे वो भाइयों के मैं हंसते करके सुरमा सुरमा गवाने हैं जब एक सुरमा 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 कुछ करिए हंस हंस में होले हाय कुछ करिए बस बस बड़ा होले हम कुछ करिए ओ कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए तुम पे तरिए या करिए हो कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए तुम पे तरिए या करिए आजा आजा जिंदे शामी आने के कल है आजा जरी आने नीले आसमाने के कल है जय हो आजा आजा जिंदे शामी आने के कल है आजा जरी आने नीले आसमाने के कल है जय हो
First of all, let's applaud for the assembly. It was a tremendous show and so much of energy early in the morning. You know, when you are young, when you are at this age, you don't realize how much exercise means to you. But when you come to age like mine, then you realize that even if you have to walk, you have to maybe cycle or swim, whatever exercise, or play badminton, you need energy. And when you do hard work, like you spend time on your body, then your hard work shines on you.